My name is Soumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिडिफाइंड ब्लॉग. In today's blog, we will be talking about the today's market, how it performed, and what is the expectation on the market. So, if we look at, you can see that Sensex is today closed around 54,667. It is up by approximately 1,223 points. Nifty is closed at around 16,345. It is up by around 331 points. Nifty Bank closed at 33,815, up by 657 points. Nifty Mid Cap is 27,785. It is up by approximately 586. And Nifty Small Cap is 9,927, which is up by approximately 230 points. So if we look at the overall market, almost all the indices are approximately 2 to 2.5% up, which is a good sign for the market that it is getting out of the bearish move. Indian VIX, that is volatility index, is today is 27.46. That means it has come down from 30. Usually VIX 30 and above considered to be a bit risky. If you ask me whether the danger period has gone or it is on the grip of the bulls or not, no, I don't think it is still in the grips of bull. It is too early to say it. I think there may be some volatility which is left, and we can see that market may see some kind of corrections. What should be the strategy for this thing? If you require the money in probably next 6 months or 1 year kind of a time, I would recommend you buy on the upside on the market. If you don't require the money, then you continue to buy on a staggering way on the downfalls. Also, if you are a SIP investor, it is a good thing for you. Continue your SIP. Don't panic on the market. It may see a correction, but it may not last that long. The correction may not last that long. But definitely, we are in the middle of the major correction, and this major correction has not completed yet. As per my opinion, there may be some correction which is left, which will come eventually. If you're talking about today's sector-wise performance, Nifty Auto, Nifty FinServ, Nifty Realty, and Nifty Consumption really did well. They have mostly moved more than 2.5%. Some are around 2.2% kind of a thing. Today, another important incident like a TCS buyback has started. So you can contact your DMAT and understand it how it is done. And also another thing is that SEBI approved the LIC IPO. Whether you should participate in the LIC IPO or not, that your financial advisor can tell you better. If I'm talking about the Singapore Nifty, today Singapore Nifty is almost on the flat right now. It is approximately 0.17% up. I think the reason of market up is not only because of that global cues, but also the exit poll result shows that BJP may come into the power in UP, Uttarakhand, Goa, and Manipur. So that's a major thing. UP is anyway the heart of the India, and whoever controls UP usually make to the Delhi in terms of power. So another good term of BJP, maybe eventually in UP, another good term of BJP in UP probably help Modi to 2024. So market may get some confidence on that thing. We need to watch the rupee movement because dollar index looks weaker, and I think that right now dollar is around 77. It may go to around 78, 79 in recent terms, and then probably again move back. If you're looking about the international market, France, UK, Germany, all are up France is up approximately by 5%, UK up by approximately by 2%, Germany up by approximately 5%. I think that yesterday the Biden administration has decided not to import the oil from Russia, and that substantially helped the market to recover, because in a short run market may see some kind of jittery in terms of oil, but overall I think probably in a 2 weeks to month we may see oil again back to $100 kind of a level, because OPEC is going to increase the rate. US, which is a major producer of oil, will definitely increase their production, and all those things will happen. And I think that slowly, gradually, Ukraine, Russia, things will come to an halt, and they will might declare a ceasefire and all those things. If you are looking for equity data, mutual fund data, especially in the month of February, equity MF has gone up. That means people have invested money into the equity MF. So my request to all investors is that do not redeem the portfolio unnecessarily, unless until you are a very dearth of money, or if you require the money for anything. Otherwise, it is not advisable to change your long-term portfolio into a short-term thing. You should continue in the long-term way. You should invest. It is on a goal-based planning. Once you reach the goal, take out, and once you are in the goal, continue the investment. Ups and downs are the part of the market. Market find reasons to get corrected and get boosted up. So these are all the part and parcel of the thing. You should have a proper financial advice, proper understanding how this market should reward you, and should not panic, because I feel in my experience that greed and fear are the most two dangerous factors which drive the investors and ultimately make the investor into losses, or you can say force the investor. That would be a right word. Force the investors to the losses. I think you may continue with SIP anyway. It's one of the best options. Continue SIP. Find a good fund. Find the proper dates when you should put it. The day market fall, you should put the money, but always keep some money as an illiquid, so that any eventuality can be addressed to that thing. So you don't have to touch the core portfolio, because if you touch the core portfolio, you do not know, probably your goal may not be achieved. So we will come up with the videos on a regular basis, and on every probably day we will come up with a new video on the market. And if you are like the channel, then you may subscribe to the channel. You may send us comments. We will try to address them, and we will also try to give you the detailed view of the market on a regular basis. Thank you for watching the video.